All right, got another SimpleShot pro tip for you, and this time on safety. Safety is paramount with slingshots. So one thing you want to do before and after you shoot your slingshot is always inspect the bands. Now flat bands generally break at the junction where they tie into the pouch. That's when they're in the most strain. This is most especially true with tapered bands. And what you want to look for is small tears. So if we can see here as we stretch this one, there's a tear propagating right here. They're always, well, let's say not always, but 99% of the time, or rather, let me rephrase that, I have never had a flat band tear anywhere but here. It's most likely going to tear here. We can see this one here starting to break apart. Stop shooting those bands. It's just not worth it to let it cut loose on you under full draw. So when you notice that they're starting to tear, retire those bands. See a couple more examples here. This one's just starting to tear here and on the back side, and you want to check both sides, of course. Now another thing is as you shoot, especially if you have any fork hits, you can develop pinholes throughout the length of the band. So the best thing to do there is stretch the band and hold it up to a light source and look for any holes. Anything that's out of the norm will really show up quickly. We can see here that this band is starting to fray about 1.5 inches from the pouch. I'm going to go ahead and retire this one. It's just not worth having it come apart. So safety is paramount. Always inspect your bands before and after use. This also applies to tubular slingshot bands. Always inspect along the length of the band and most especially at the pouch tie-in. Safety's first and it keeps you having more fun. Get out and shoot those slingshots. Thanks for taking a look.